Meta introduces a groundbreaking approach to 3D space presentation, unlocking the potential of machine learning for future applications. Enter the world of SceneScript. As giants like Meta venture into interior design, questions arise about the impact on our living spaces. Concerns about 3D reconstruction and interior space generation have been on everyone's minds. Last month, on March 20th, Meta unveiled their latest study. So, what exactly does this study entail? This study introduces a novel approach to rebuilding 3D space, departing from traditional diffusion models that only generate images. SceneScript bridges the gap between images and three-dimensional representations, offering semantic models with size information. Plus, they're editable and interpretable. This isn't just about rendering. Neural networks can now establish connections between everything. With sufficient training datasets, the potential is limitless. You can generate vectors, CAD models, and more. So, why does it matter? Because it revolutionizes how we perceive and interact with 3D space. SceneScript and machine learning empower us to create, visualize, and manipulate environments like never before. Meta created a new method called SceneScript. Instead of using traditional ways to describe scenes like meshes or grids, they use language commands inspired by advanced computer techniques. These commands are generated directly from images of scenes using a special computer program. To teach our method, they made a big pretend dataset of indoor scenes called ARIA synthetic environments. Their method works really well for figuring out how rooms are laid out and finding objects in 3D space. It's also easy to add new commands to make it do more things, like figuring out basic shapes of objects. Meta SceneScript is based on Project ARIA, an egocentric dataset with extensive and accurate ground truth. ARIA Digital Twin is an egocentric dataset captured using ARIA glasses, with extensive simulated ground truth for devices, objects, and environment. This dataset sets a new standard for egocentric machine perception research and accelerates research into a number of challenges, including 3D, object detection and tracking, scene reconstruction and understanding, Sim2 real learning, human pose prediction, while also inspiring new machine perception tasks for augmented reality, AR applications. Let's wait for its public launch. Meanwhile, you can find its research paper on the official website.